Usinimalizie.
Emotional damage.
Simplest ingredients for the simplest of meals. Pick an arrange.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pick and Rate. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If you're new here, karibu sana. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here we cook and have fun at the same time. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. If you are watching this, you have not subscribed, tafadhali subscribe now. I'm giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and congratulations because you've just joined us. And also don't forget to hit that bell. Hapo hivyo, just hit that bell, the notification bell, so that every time we upload a new video, you'll always be the first person to be notified, okay? Today, guys, I have been working on my weight, all right? Especially the lower tummy, this part, the abdomen, the tumbo, okay? And I was advised that I should always be eating healthy, and I am here to inform you guys that my eating healthy journey just begun. So today I am going to make a very quick breakfast. It's a quick fix. It's breakfast quick fix because they always say eat like a king. So in the morning you're supposed to eat like a king, like literally eat like a king, eat food like a king. Then unaenda ukipunguza meal zako during the day. Alafu you should not eat anything past 7, and that is what we are trying to follow here at our home. Okay, Kimo and I mostly. Today I am going to do a very quick fix. It's a noodles and vegetables, okay? Or rather noodles and vegetables, the vegetables and noodles. Which is which? Haya, kujeni niwaoshe. This is our breakfast. Hii ni breakfast. Here we have kitunguu saumu. This is garlic. We have the red onion. We have curry powder. This is chicken beef. Chicken cubes. This is tomato paste. Here we have light soy sauce. Here I have olive oil. Okay, you can use the other oil if you don't have olive oil, but I'm choosing to use olive oil at the moment. Then these are our start vegetables, okay? And this is noodles. So what I had done before, guys, let me show you what you do. These are some noodles that I had done before. So what I just did was boil water, then you put in the noodles. Don't boil the water, don't put in the noodles ukiboil maji. You get, just boil the water, switch off the heat, put in the noodles, funika, then itaiva yenyewe. So I had already prepared some noodles, so we don't need this. This was just for showing you it's noodles that we are making, okay? I don't want these noodles to overcook, so na drain maji, nazitoa kwenye maji ndio zisiendelee kuiva. And I know some of you don't know how to make these things. Just don't. The mistake that many people do is put the noodles in boiling water na maji inaendelea kuboil when the heat. This things inajipikanga. Ukishaweka maji moto, that's it. Okay? So our noodles are already cooked. First things first, we're going to put in our olive oil. I've just said you can use any type of oil that you want. I'm using olive oil because I have it. Okay, and it's much healthier. Put in our onions. In our previous video, there's a video that I showed you how to blanch these vegetables, okay? Here, we are not going to blanch them. Sawa, I'm just going to let them soften with the steam here. Sawa. Not that I don't have time, just that I feel, well, we can always try something new, right? Yeah. So our onions are here. Guys, let me tell you, as you can see, I've been going through some weight loss therapy, as you can see. Kimo inaonekana huko? Wanaona? Yeah, I've been going through some weight loss therapy, and at this moment, I'll show you guys the outcome, outcome of my weight loss therapy, where you don't have to go through surgery or anything, and it has been working perfectly on me. I will show you the later after I'm done with my sessions. I will show you the whole thing, because I'm not yet done with my sessions and I already look like this. Okay, yeah, so we are still going, we are still working on it. I'll introduce you guys to a very amazing lady. And if you've been following me on my Instagram stories or my Instagram, by now you know the place that I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, so I'm not going to let our onions cook, okay, or brown rather. I'm going to put in my kitunguu saumu. Guys, kitunguu saumu is very healthy and very it has so many benefits in your body, especially to people who have blood pressure. I understand kitunguu saumu works magic. Yeah. So what I will advise you guys, make sure your kitunguu saumu browns. Sawa. Kitunguu saumu browns very fast. So make sure your kitunguu saumu browns, because if it doesn't cook well, it leaves some funny taste in your mouth. Okay? So we are waiting for our kitunguu our saumu, our garlic to brown. Trust me, it's going to brown before the onion. It browns very fast. It cooks very fast. Extremely fast. This is how we want it, okay? We want it to brown because we don't want vitumbichi. We don't want funny tastes in our mouth. Okay? You know that my spices always comes after the kitunguu, like that. You know that I usually cook my tomato paste. Okay, and I'm going to put in my curry powder. That's my curry powder. That's salt. Okay. So you guys, at this point I'm going to put some water kidogo, like that. Very nice and thick. So I'm going to put in our vegetables. The washed vegetables, you buy zangu kwa supermarket. So I'm going to put in enough veggies. Okay, acha niweke zote. Najua huku vegetarians wataanza kuwa wengi. So here we are. How is our salt? Perfect. Oh, our salt is perfect. So we're going to wait for these vegetables of ours to soften. Okay. Meanwhile, let me show off. Taanza kufanya hivi. Inazunguka by the way, Kim.
Si belly dancer lazima kuna belly.
Sina belly. Guys, let me tell you what happens. You see this weight loss therapy, what they usually do first, wanakupimanga, okay? Then they will your BMI, your BMI, your weight, your muscles, your calories, pia calories, no? Yes, every single thing. Alafu kitu wamepima ina estimate body yako saa hizo ni ya how old? Your body organs ni za mtu wako how old? Zangu ni za mtu wako 51 year old.
Jesus is Lord.
Mtu wako 51 year old.
Hey! Okay. You will move out of this house.
Broccoli. We have to make sure. They're coming well. Unajua by the way, carrots do absorb a lot of salt. Do you know that? You guys. You good? Sawa, acha ziive ndakutia. Sawa? You're going to taste today. You want to stay here? Usisumbue hapo kwa hiyo usisumbue. Sit there. Sit there. Okay? Okay? Yeah. eat healthy, okay? Broccoli. Look up, come. Look up, come.
All I can say is fix it, Jesus.
Yeah, so you guys, back to our cooking. Woo.
Mom.
Yes, son? Nothing, baby. I'm okay. I am very okay. Sawa?
Mommy.
Yes, son?
More noodles.
More noodles? Yeah. Okay, I'm actually about to put in our noodles, okay?
But this one.
Yeah. Okay, wait a minute, okay? Yeah, so guys, our vegetables are actually ready. So what we are going to do is put in the noodles. Tunazima gas, by the way. Zima. Yes. Tunazima noodles. Ndio. To mix nicely. Alafu tukule. Then our light soy sauce. Ni sawa daddy. Okay, like that. And guess what, my people? We're ready to serve.
Na Coach Kristen ataka along.
Oh, tutamkalisha. Tutaenda tu saa hii. Yeah, so guys, let's taste our noodles. How is it?
Good.
You love it?
Yeah.
You love.
Okay, I'm a greens. Okay, I'm a greens. Apone.
Hata ni mapona.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Ati umepa.
Mapona.
Unajua ma greens zinasaidia kidney.
Aya. Na liver.
Hata kuosha.
Hata heart. Aya. Hebu. Zinasaidia.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Juu umetengeneza aje zikakuwa
Yummy.
hizo greens kuna kitu umeweka zikakuwa.
Zinakaa moto.
Aisha.
So sasa hii ni moto sasa. So sasa hii ni moto. Na hii noodle ni moto. Oh, noodles si moto. Lakini greens ni moto.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Sana. Shika noodles.
Unajua rabbit inakulaga carrot.
Shika hii. Na Zenasha kuna rabbit. Tuko na rabbit ngapi?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, you have 5 rabbits.
Where?
Si kwa show kwa kukaa. Where your rabbits?
Kushu.
Ziko kwa show,
Kushu wangu. Kwa skola.
Kwa BFF.
Skola si BFF.
Ni nani?
Ni best friend.
Okay, best friend ndio BFF. Akikala kaka mbake wida kanu.
Finya hiyo greens itoe maji yake. Kula. Hiyo maji inasaidia. Unajua inasaidia sana. Hautakuwa mzika.
Hati yako iko wapi? Na liver. Na kidney. Very nice. Na pipi.
Silly boy.
Do your kids love vegetables? Because we are pending at all. And guys, try out this recipe. Amazing. This is good breakfast for your kids, for yourself, and it's very healthy because you have vegetables. It has more vegetables, by the way. So eat healthy, keep healthy. All right, Daddy, tell them to subscribe.
Emotional damage.
Hata ndio yako. Noodles are yummy.
Mom, I want to exchange.
Kwa nini?
Ndio nataka.
So it's the same. Hii na hii ni the same.
Daddy. Naenda kutumbo. Wewe unadanganya.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to